Alright, typing enthusiasts. Today, I'm putting your fingers to the test with a typing test challenge. Can you beat my speed? Let's see if you've got what it takes, or if you're ready to pick up some seriously game-changing techniques. First up, let's settle an age-old debate. Touch typing versus hunt and peck. If you're still staring at your keyboard, hunting for each letter, you're holding yourself back big time. Touch typing is like learning to ride a bike. Awkward at first, but once you've got it, it's pure muscle memory. The trick? Start with your home row keys. Those little bumps on F and J are your secret weapons. Trust me, the moment you stop looking down, your speed will skyrocket. But I get it, not everyone wants to pay for fancy software. So here's my 2024 ranking of the best free websites to boost your typing speed. Number 1, 10 Fast Fingers. It's simple, competitive, and addictive. Number 2, Keyber, which throws in random words to keep your fingers guessing. And number 3, NitroType, perfect if you like racing against friends. Give these a shot and track your progress. Consistency is key. Now let's talk mistakes. The most common typing errors holding people back: not using all your fingers, improper posture, and ignoring accuracy. It's tempting to mash the keys as fast as possible, but slow down and focus on hitting the right keys first. Speed comes with accuracy, not the other way around. And don't slouch. Good posture means less fatigue and faster fingers. Here's a curveball. Gaming actually made me a faster typist. RPGs and MMOs demand fast typing for chat and commands. If you're a gamer, you've already got the reflexes. Just channel them into your typing practice. And for my tech heads out there, yes, your keyboard matters. Mechanical keyboards offer tactile feedback and faster response times, while membrane keyboards are quieter but can slow you down. I'll be honest, once I switched to mechanical, my speed jumped by 10 words per minute. Now a quick challenge for you. Pause the video, hit up 10 fast fingers, and see if you can beat my score of 110 words per minute. Don't cheat, it's all about honest progress. So, whether you're aiming for a new personal best, or just want to impress your friends using the right techniques, practicing with the best free tools, and avoiding common mistakes will get you there faster than you think. Think you can beat my speed? Drop your highest score in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe for more typing hacks, challenges, and gear reviews. Catch you at the keyboard.